Hey guys, I'm putting on a playlist real quick. Give me one hot second. Head to San Diego, meet up with more people. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you get subscribed. Get ready for the mayhem. My check engine light's on because I did too long of a wheelie, and so just wait.
Have you ever had a dream that you had?
That's what we're doing. We're enjoying. Since my check engine light's on, I can't turn my traction control off and my slide control off. So I'm gonna do a lot of wheelies today, and they're just gonna slam down onto me because I have no control. I can't turn it off. So I'm definitely gonna mess up my fork seals today. I'm gonna hurt them. I'm not gonna blow them. But welcome back. We are in the beautiful state of North California, guys. You guys helped boost my engagement by complaining about the gloves. That's the point. That's why it was so funny. Hold on. It's really nice out, overly nice. It's so bright here in Cali. It's widely different than he's gonna go through the dirt. Okay. Why is it brighter here rather than... That's how you're supposed to corner. Just throw your head over to the side. Everything else will follow. Hello, mama. People are so adjusted to lane splitting. It's awesome. I absolutely love it. What are you? Why? What? What is that? Am I tripping? Is that? That's not what I think it is. That's not a Charger, is it? That's not a Charger. That's a Charger pickup. What the? That's so cool, bro! It's a freaking Charger pickup! I respect it, yeah! That's wild! Why? What kicked into me? But I've been using my rear brake here with staggered wheelies. Damn! That was sick. We were close. That was solid. Oh, shit. My bad. My bad, Cam. for that. I had to work for that. I definitely had to freaking work for that. I was gonna put the front wheel up and I was like, no, he's actually fast. There's a heart up there. That's dope. What the?
What are you getting into? What are you getting into? Thumbnail. Hey, this is so hard. I'm gonna learn how to do that. Crazy. Oh my gosh. Woo-hoo. Again? Dude, I want to learn! I want to learn! Oh my god, crazy.
Damn, this thing sounds so good. This is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
Look at that shot, baby! Beautiful! Woo! This guy! That's so sick! I'm gonna learn!
Let's go, baby. Check engine lights right back on. Awesome. It literally just went off, right back on. Check engine light went off and went back on in the same ride. sit down. I've never done that. Not on the whole run. Let's go. That S1000, purple S1000 looks so good. A little bit of carbon fiber on there too. He's so confused. That looks fire as fudge. Nicely executed. Damn. You guys think my check engine light's still on? Damn straight. Dun dun dun. We're going to take rollers and go to some picture spot. We just ate and it was freaking slamming. Like, yo, the tacos down here? Freaking fire. Never had tacos so damn good. Damn! That's so far. When do I not have to pee though? He totally got me.